Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to report Schedule K-1 on Form 1040. Gather your Schedule K-1 and confirm the issuer type, then locate each box number and map it to the correct 1040 line or schedule, such as capital gains, ordinary business income, or rental income. Keep detailed notes about basis, credits, and passive activity limitations so you can accurately report income and losses without surprises. Start by separating ordinary business income, interest, dividends, and capital gains from your K-1. Use Schedule 1, Schedule D, and the appropriate credit forms to allocate each item, and then transfer totals to Form 1040 lines. Keep records of adjustments and any shareholder or partner basis changes. If you have rental or passive items, apply passive loss rules before entering amounts on your return for an accurate outcome. Watch out for common mistakes like double reporting items shown elsewhere, misplacing box numbers, or ignoring basis limits and passive loss rules. Confirm whether any K-1 items were already included on 1099 or other statements. Keep copies of worksheets showing how you mapped each line to Form 1040 and any schedules. When in doubt, consult a preparer because partnership and S-corporation items can have tricky
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.